guys, I'm very excited to show you what I have today. I have an unboxing from a new to me shop called Fairy Bomb Mother. Let's see what we have here. Woo, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I can already tell that I cannot wait to use this stuff. Look at this item here. It is so shimmery. What is it called? It doesn't, oh yeah, no, it just says Fairy Bomb Mother. It doesn't have a name. It does, I can't smell it through the wrapping, but just the fact that it is so freaking shimmery. I love shimmer. All right, never tried these products before, so I'm gonna actually throw one in the tub tonight so you guys can see sooner rather than later. Look at this one. This looks like a Harry Potter type bomb. And again, the shimmer. Beautiful. All right, next it looks like I have a bubble bar, a Mayhem Bubble Truffle. Oh, there's a name on this one. And look at the pretty color on that. This was my mom's favorite color, rest her soul. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Not only is it sparkly, but she has like two different colors on there, like two different blues. Very pretty. Twisted Tulip. Maybe there were names on these other ones. Am I missing them? No. Just making sure. I think that's it. I think. Wait a minute, there might be one other thing on there. Unicorn Bubble Dust Scented in Fruit Loops. Oh, I love me some Fruit Loops. Scented stuff. I do. All right, this is a little smaller package. It's 3 ounces, in case you're interested. And, oh my gosh, there's more than I thought in here. Oops. Next we have Happiest Cloud. Can't smell it. These things are wrapped really well. I can't smell anything through the packaging. So that means the scent is being preserved up inside there. Oh, that's pretty. Grow Love. That is really pretty. Wow. Okay. Can't wait to demo these. And I think this is the last one. Yes. Oh my gosh. Just the way I like them. Nice and creepy. Is there a name on this one? No, there's no name on this one. But look at that pretty purple color. All right, so let's recap. Let me make sure I don't have anything, because sometimes I end up throwing stuff out. Oh, see? You see? You see? All right, so let's recap. First of all, this one here that I didn't even talk about. Very pretty. It almost looks iridescent with the shimmer colors that she chose. Beautiful. All right, so there's no name on this one, but it is a tulip shape. Then we have the other tulip shape, which is the color on that. Beautiful. Twisted Tulip. Maybe this one is Twisted Tulip, just in a different color. Who knows? Then we had the Happiest Cloud. We had this Harry Potter looking thing. There's just so much shimmer on all of these. I'm super excited. This one here is probably my favorite of them all, just based on what it looks like. It is beautiful. It's called Grow Love. We have a nice bubble truffle. This one that right out the box I loved, just because the shimmeriness of it all. Next we had Unicorn Bubble Dust in Fruit Loops. And finally, this gorgeous, gorgeous thing. There's no name on this one. So I am going to, I don't even know if I want to use this one tonight or this one, but one of these is getting demoed tonight, and then the review will be up on YouTube soon. So that's it from Fairy Bomb Mother. trying to see. Yeah, there's her logo right there. Fairy Bomb Mother. Very pretty. And again, I found her on Instagram. Actually, she found me on Instagram. So I'm very excited. I just think I'm going to use this one tonight. All right, guys. That's it for this unboxing, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.